Let's focus our attention now on the Democratic Alliance. As I mentioned, they are going to court. They filed papers in the Western Cape High Court challenging a decision taken by national government to close the beaches in the Garden Route district for the entirety of the festive season. To talk about this, we're joined by DA National spokesperson Siviwe Kwarube. Welcome and thanks very much for giving us your time.
Thanks, John, and hello to your listeners.
You've, in your statement, said, this is a statement by DA leader John Steenhuisen, that such a regulation is not in line with the scientific advice available from medical experts. Which medical experts, and why do they say this has no benefit?
Look, I mean, John, we've seen experts coming out and saying that, you know, if people are in a gathering, then it is much better for them to be in an outside area than it is for them to be congregated in congested small spaces.
Yeah.
But more than that, John, I mean, I think that this application by the Democratic Alliance is essentially designed to say two things. One, the fact that the province has made a case that in terms of healthcare capacity, we've got the capacity, in spite of the rising numbers, to be able to provide a mount of decent response to this pandemic. And secondly, we know that shutting down the beaches along this particular district will be decimating to that rural economy, a district that has essentially been hit very hard by this pandemic, and we want to save as many jobs as possible while at the same time ensuring that people are safe.
News.
Experts.
Analysis.
Where things stand.
What you need to know. Drive home with John Perlman
On 702.